Welcome to Grandmother's Kitchen.
Smoky bacon, sweet onions, tender cabbage. Simple ingredients cooked slowly, turning into something deeply comforting. Let's make it together. We'll start with the bacon, and this is where all the flavor begins. Chop the bacon into small pieces, not too fine. You want real bites of bacon, not crumbs. Add it to a large skillet over medium heat and let it cook slowly. Give it time. As the fat renders out, the bacon turns golden and crisp, usually about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's just crispy, scoop the bacon out with a slotted spoon and set it aside. Leave that bacon fat in the pan. That's liquid gold, and we're building on it. Now the onions. Add the chopped onions straight into the bacon grease. Let them cook gently for about 5 minutes, stirring up now and then. You're looking for soft, translucent onions, not browned and not rushed. This slow cook matters. When onions soften in bacon fat, they turn slightly sweet and soak up all the smoky flavor. Next comes the garlic. Add it in and stir constantly for 1 to 2 minutes, just until fragrant. Garlic burns quickly, so this is a moment to stay close. The second it smells warm and savory, you're ready to move on. Now the cabbage. Add the chopped cabbage to the skillet and toss everything together. At first, it will look like way too much, which is normal. Cabbage cooks down beautifully. Coat it well in the bacon fat, onions, and garlic. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Here's the key. Don't over stir. Let some of the cabbage sit against the pan so the edges can caramelize slightly. That's where the depth of flavor comes from. As it cooks, the cabbage softens, turns silky, and takes on that savory richness. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Start light. The bacon already brings saltiness, and adjust as needed. If you like a little brightness, add a small splash of apple cider vinegar. Not enough to taste sharp, just enough to lift everything and balance the richness. Now stir the bacon back into the pan. Let everything cook together for another 2 to 3 minutes so the flavors fully come together. At this point, it should smell warm, savory, and deeply comforting. Transfer it to a serving dish while it's hot. If you want, sprinkle a little fresh parsley over the top. Totally optional, but it adds a nice fresh contrast. And that's it. This is one of those dishes that feels humble but delivers big comfort. It works as a side, a main, or even reheated the next day. A few quick kitchen tips before we wrap up. If your skillet feels overcrowded, use a very large pan or cook the cabbage in batches. Overcrowding can make it steam instead of caramelize. This dish holds beautifully, so it's great for meal prep or holiday tables. And if you're serving it with something rich like sausage, pork chops, or roast chicken, the cabbage helps to balance everything out. And one last thing, and this really does matter. Simple recipes rely on good ingredients. Good bacon, fresh cabbage, time in the pan. When you let those things do their job, the food speaks for itself. This is comfort cooking at its best. Warm, familiar, and made with care. The ingredients in here are 6 slices of bacon chopped into bits, 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 medium head of cabbage, salt and pepper, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, fresh parsley.